This call is now being recorded.
Okay, so I'm starting the session. Yesterday, yesterday we have completed the topic on the chapter that was graphical user interface. Okay, and today we are going to start the new chapter, that is fourth chapter, and the name of this chapter is screen designing. That is screen designing. Okay, just a second. So let me show you the syllabus first. So according to the Mumbai University ka syllabus, the fourth chapter is screen designing. In this particular chapter, you're going to learn the different elements and the information regarding different components of the screen. What type of different elements you can put on the screen in order to have a better look, in order to have a visually pleasing composition of the screen, and what amount of information you have to add on the screen. It is not like that, okay, you are going to add number of information and you're going to add a huge volume of information on the single screen, so not a single word is visible. So it is not like that. You have to add adequate amount of information on the screen so that all the information will be clearly visible to the user. Then what will be the focus and emphasis point where you want the user to focus, okay? And then your presentation of information must be simply and it must be a meaningful, okay? So it is not like that, okay, you are adding useless information. You can categorize in this two way. The one is the noise and the second is the signal, okay? The signal and noise. The useful information is called as signal and the useless information is called as noise, okay? So you have to add signals only, not noise, okay? So then screen key planning and the purposes, then organizing screen key elements, how to organize it. You know what are the grid size of your mobile phone, 5 by 4, 5 by 5. Okay, so you have different screen ka organization, then ordering of screen data and content, then how you are going to navigate the screen and how will be the flow from one screen to the next screen to the next screen and to the next screen, how you're going to navigate. So these are all the content of the screen designing. Basically, the focus is on the designing of screen so that your screen will be more and more attractive for the users, and the users will stay and will invest more time on your screen. Okay. So this is the sub part, or we can say the partial part of the designing part. This is the focus is only towards the screen design. Okay. So let us start with the topic. I hope this is visible to you people. दिख रहा है आप लोग को, थोड़ा नीचे का शायद फेंट दिखेगा. So the fourth chapter is screen designing. Okay, these are the content you can see. The design goals, screen planning, and the purposes. Then organizing screen elements, how you can organize it. Then ordering of screen data. What will be the order of the data? What we have put on the screen, and what should be the content of the screen? Sorry, screen navigation and flow. What should be the flow and how you're going to navigate from one screen to the next screen? That all we have discussed. Then visually pleasing composition. Okay, you need to put the content on your screen in such a way that the user will please. Okay, user will be pleasing. User will be pleased by visually seeing the content or the component what we have added on the screen. सामने वाला खुश होना चाहिए. ओके, ऐसा ना हो कि कुछ ऐसा कंटेंट सामने वाला बोलेगा अरे यार क्या कंटेंट है यार, क्या कैसे कैसे स्क्रीन डिजाइन किया है. ठीक है. Then what amount of information is to be added? Then presentation information simply and meaningfully. Simple भी हो और वो meaningful भी हो. Then information retrieval on web and other topics are there. Okay. Okay. So starting with the introduction part, that is well-designed interface and screen reflect the capabilities, needs, and the task of the user. Okay. Reflect the capabilities, what user can do, what are the needs, and what are the tasks the user can perform on your screen. अगर डिजाइनिंग अच्छी है, स्क्रीन अगर आपकी स्क्रीन का डिजाइनिंग अगर अच्छा है, then user will automatically will reflect, and user will automatically come to know the capabilities of the functions or the data what we have provided. So what they can do, what the user can do. So it will find out, the user will automatically find out the capabilities, what he can do. Okay, what are the different needs and what are the tasks the user can perform. If the design is good, or the we can say the screen designing is good, then is developed within the physical constraint imposed by the hardware on which it is displayed. So एक अच्छा जो जो डिजाइन होता है इज डेवलप विद इन द फिजिकल कंस्ट्रेंट. ऐसा ना हो कि भाई आपको अब ये चलाना है, स्क्रीन या ये सॉफ्टवेयर आपको चलाना है, उसके लिए यू नीड अ स्पेशल हार्डवेयर, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू run this particular software. Okay, without this particular hardware you cannot. So whatever is there, whatever is the ideal condition, the ideal condition says that okay, you have a computer ka monitor, you have CPU, you have mouse, and you have keyboard. Okay, these four are the essential thing. Okay, this is the only requirement. Okay, ये है. तो इसका मतलब आपने जितने भी कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड टास्क है वो होना चाहिए. ओके, आप बोलोगे नहीं प्रिंट मार के लाओ, तो प्रिंट अभी कैसे मारेंगे? You need extra, one printer for that. Okay, I'm just giving one example for that. So whatever you are developing, whatever screen you are developing, so that must be within the physical constraint imposed by the hardware on which it is displayed. Okay? So you have to be there in the physical constraint. Utilizes the capabilities of its controlling software effectively. So whatever it is regarding the software also. If you are constrained with the hardware, then you are also constrained with the software. Achieves the business objectives of the system for which it is designed. For the purpose, आपने बनाया था application for calculating or for registering the user, or for registration of the user who are learning and who are in the final year right now. Okay, so उनके लिए आपने बनाया था. So uh, the objective which was there behind making this particular screen or this application, so it has fulfilled or not. Okay, you have achieved or not. तो एक अच्छा जो डिजाइन होता है, a well designed interface on the end the screen, उसका स्क्रीन भी उसका इंटरफेस भी अगर अच्छा डिजाइन है, तो you will achieve the business objective also of the system for which it is designed. Okay, so this is a short introduction about the screen designing. Okay, these are the design goals I have taken from the book. Just have a look on these particular goals. To make an interface easy and pleasant to use, then the goal in design is to reduce the visual work, reduce intellectual work, reduce memory work, reduce mentor work, and minimize or eliminate any burdens or instruction imposed by the technology. एक कोई एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन, एक्स्ट्रा टेक्नोलॉजी लगाओ फिर ही यूज कर पाएंगे, ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. वी हैव टू मिनिमाइज और एलिमिनेट any burdens if it is any there. The result will be always be improved user, increase satisfaction. Okay, so these two things will get increase. So result improve user productivity and increase the satisfaction. Obviously अगर कभी productivity बढ़ेंगे तो user satisfaction भी बढ़ेगा. Okay, so these are the goal. We have to reduce each and everything. Reduce visual work, intellectual work, memory work, motor work, or any remove any burden also. So these are, I know, while designing any screen, you need to make sure that okay, these things has to be removed. Okay. First one, the test for a good design. कौन से डिजाइन को कौन से डिजाइन को आप अच्छा डिजाइन बोलेंगे? क्या हम लोग ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि कैन ऑल द स्क्रीन और वेब पेज एलिमेंट whatever you have placed and whatever you have situated in a design or on a screen, those elements can be identified by clues only, the clues which you are providing, other than by reading the word that makes them up. You have text field. Okay, you have text field in front of you. Okay, you will automatically just by the clue, just but मतलब आपने वो खाली देखा और देख के you will realize that कि हाँ, this is the text field. It means that I have to enter something in this particular text field. We have check boxes. We have check boxes. It means that I can select multiple options with the help of these checkboxes. If the radio buttons are shown, then automatically I will come to know that the radio buttons can be selected. Only one radio buttons can be selected. I cannot select multiple radio buttons. Just by looking, you can identify the element just by the cues, other than by reading the words that make them. आगे लिखा है उसने रेडियो बटन के नीचे मेल फीमेल, तो उसको रीड नहीं किया, बट यू विल जस्ट सी कि हाँ रेडियो बटन से मतलब किसी एक को सेलेक्ट करना, मेल या फीमेल को सेलेक्ट करना। अगर हॉबीज है तो हॉबीज के लिए भी विजुअली द डेवलपर यूजुअली गिव्स द check boxes option. Okay, so you can check or you can select multiple hobbies for you. Okay, if you are registering anyway. So एक जो अच्छा डिजाइन होगा, that you know, this is a very simple test, okay, for a good design. If you have a good design, then just by looking at the component or the element, you should identify the component. Okay, क्या करना है आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. So यही जो डिजाइन रहेगा, इस डिजाइन को I can say that this design is the good design. Okay, so this is the first point, A point. मतलब ये वाला फर्स्ट पॉइंट है. इसके अंदर how we can test for a good design. The second one is screen and web page meaning and purposes. Each element, every control, all the text present on the screen organization, all emphasis, each color, every graphic, all screen animation, each message, all forms of feedback must have meaning to the user. ऐसे मैंने आपको अभी बोला है कि if any of the element is not having is, if for example if it is useless, okay, it does not have any meaning which is present on the screen, तो क्या मतलब हुआ आपको उसको रख के, okay, there's no meaning. Okay, so whatever element and whichever data you are placing on the screen, that must have some sort of meaning. Okay, that must have some sort of meaning to the user and it serve a purpose in performing some tasks. Okay, उसकी वजह से हम लोग कुछ काम भी होना चाहिए. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल each color, okay, each color, so color, with the help of the color we can segregate, or we can, the sections can be colored, okay, so that the user will identify that, hey, this section is in the red color and this section is in blue color. Okay, so each and every element and component will have a meaning to the user. Okay, and it will serve a purpose in performing some sort of task also. Okay, तो कुछ ना कुछ टास्क परफॉर्म करने में वो आपको सर्व करेगा. Okay, तो ये हमारा सेकंड explanation. All the interface element must have meaning to the user and serve a purpose in performing tasks of fulfilling needs. Okay, that we have seen. If an element does not have meaning for the user, do not include in the interface. अगर किसी element का meaning ही नहीं है तो उसको हटा दो, because this is noise. Okay, in our communication we used to say that the unwanted signal which is not required in the medium right now, the unwanted signal which is not required in the medium right now, that is termed as the noise. And here in the screen designing, if the element or the component is useless, it means that this is noise. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को मैं क्या क्या बड़बड़ कर रहा हूँ देर से. The things are damn simple, nothing rocket science, कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ खाली theory. Please let me know whether you people are understanding or not. Only one. समझ में आ रहा है? खाली दो लोग हैं, एक और दो, तो बाकी सब सो रहे लगते. दीपा, चलो अच्छी बात है, आराम करो आप लोग. So coming to the next one. Now what is signals and noise? Okay, मुझे लगा कि इसको ऐड करना चाहिए, इसके लिए मैंने ऐड कर लिया. हालांकि you people have an idea about this noise and signals also. So फिर भी चलो एक बार go through कर लेते हैं. Because in our screen, if the information is useful, then it is signal. If it is useless, then it is noise. Okay, so noise is useless information and signals are the useful information. Noise reduces clarity of the screen or web page because useful information is diluted by useless noise. अच्छा बोलो, the amount of information which I have added in this particular screen, you can see it, okay? अगर मैं इसमें और डेटा डालूंगा, कुछ इमेजेस, कुछ ग्राफिक्स और कुछ और इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्स्ट वगैरह अगर मैं डालता हूँ, then what will happen? The काम की information will be diluted by the bigger काम की information, ठीक है? जो आपकी मतलब useless information है, the useless information that is also called as noise will reduces the clarity of the screen or web page, whatever you are designing, because the useful information is diluted by the useless noise. Okay, noise is distracting, compete for the user's attention. Obviously जो यूजलेस इंफॉर्मेशन होती है वो यूजर का ध्यान भटका सकती है, ओके? यूजर का ध्यान जब काम की चीज से भटकेगा तो जो यूजलेस इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो कि नॉइज है, वहां पर जाए, वहां पर गया तो फिर आपका नुकसान है इसके अंदर, ओके? So which is important will be more difficult to find. Okay, so user will confuse, user will distract from the original content, and user will confuse that कि भाई इसमें काम का डेटा कौन सा है, कहाँ देखूं? हालांकि if the user is smart, then automatically he will come to know that which data is important for me. Okay, but still he need to find that information, that amount of data, that amount of information. After it will take some time. Okay, and we don't want this particular time to be wasted, because we have every penny is important in this particular uh, इंस्टेंस ऑफ टाइम, बिकॉज आपका जो यूजर है वो आपको टाइम दे रहा है, आपके एप्लीकेशन को, आपके वेब पेजेस को टाइम दे रहा है। इट डजंट मीन दैट कि इट हैज बहुत सारा टाइम, ठीक है? दे रहा टाइम तो वो कभी भी टैब को क्लोज कर सकता है, ठीक है? एवरीथिंग एनीथिंग कैन हैपन। सो प्रेजेंट इंफॉर्मेशन एफिशिएंटली, सिंपली। अच्छा अच्छा, इसके पहले द ऑब्जेक्टिव इन डिजाइनिंग, द ऑब्जेक्टिव इन डिजाइनिंग इज टू मिनिमाइज द नॉइज and maximize the signal. काम की information has to be maximized and useless information, that is noise, has to be reduced. Okay, this is our objective while you are designing any screen. Okay, then you need to present the information efficiently, simply, clearly, concisely, and appropriately. Okay, so you need to present the information in a very efficient way, in a simple way, in a very clear way, concisely present करना है और appropriate आपको information यहाँ पर present करना है, and remove all unnecessary element, that is noise. Okay, so this is just for Viva question, the Viva question name from this particular slide. Number 4, organizing elements clearly and meaningfully, that we have discussed, but एक बार देख लेते हैं. So visual clarity is achieved when the display elements are organized and presented in meaningful, understandable and recognizable. Meaningful way में मतलब जहां उसका मीनिंग है, जहां काम का है, तभी वहीं पर उसको प्रेजेंट करो. मालूम पड़ा आपने कुछ और भलता ही ऐड वहां पे डाल के रखा है, कुछ भलती ऑप्शन डाल के रखा है, ठीक है? Understandable, the information which you are adding must be understood by the user also. And recognize, जो डाला है उसको समझ में भी आना चाहिए, that is recognizable. A clear and clean organization makes it easier to recognize the screen's essential element and to ignore its secondary information. कोई भी organization जो है अपनी वेबसाइट या अपने application, whatever they are designing, so a clean and clear organization makes it easier to recognize the screen essential. The काम की information will be identified by a good company organization, and useless information will be automatically identified by the organization. So if you talk about any person or any organization, one and the same thing. So presentation of the proper amount of information, then grouping and alignment of the screen items. Okay, ये तीन, देखो तीन इंपॉर्टेंट चीज वहां मिली, मीनिंगफुल, अंडरस्टैंडेबल एंड रिकॉग्नाइजेबल. आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन ये तीनों में आपको विजुअली क्लियरिटी होना चाहिए. उसके बाद में फिर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, देन उसके बाद में ग्रुपिंग करना है उस इंफॉर्मेशन की, एंड देन अलाइनमेंट ऑफ द स्क्रीन. ओके, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट के you people used to make a group or a folder in your menu, and you add all the related application in this particular folder. Okay, like आपके पास में online learning के कुछ applications है, like you have Udemy, you have Coursera, and you have edX. Okay, so you have three applications in your mobile phone. Okay, so what you will do, you will club these three applications, you will make one folder, and you will put all these three applications in this particular folder, so that whenever you want to learn online, so you can just click on this particular folder and you can get all three applications. That is the grouping. So this is done in, is it, this is the organizing elements clearly and meaningfully. Okay, so grouping is also a part of organizing elements. Then alignment of the screen items, the alignment. Okay, proper alignment of the items or the information you have. For example, first line, second line में line spacing 1 है, और सेकंड और थर्ड में 1.5 की स्पेसिंग, हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? अलाइनमेंट यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम। आपके जो आइकन्स हैं, वॉट एवर आइकन्स और एलिमेंट्स यू हैव एडेड इन द स्क्रीन, सो लाइक एक आइकन ऊपर है, थोड़ा नीचे है, थोड़ा और एक नीचे, अलाइनमेंट इज नॉट प्रॉपर्ली डन। ओके, सो अलाइनमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एलिमेंट्स के अंदर ये सारी चीजें आपकी आती है। What must be avoided in is the visual clutter created by indistinct element। स्क्रीन देखो ऊपर नीचे हो जाती, आइकन्स ऊपर नीचे हो जाती, जो गैप आता है, जो डिफरेंस आता है, दैट डिफरेंस इज कॉल्ड एज क्लटर। ओके, सो व्हाट मस्ट बी अवॉइडेड इज विजुअल क्लटर, ऐसा क्लटर जो कि आपको दिख गया है। ओके, आपको दिख रहा है सामने से, हाँ चलो थोड़ा माइनर है, बिल्कुल बहुत माइनर है, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि एक आइकन और दूसरा आइकन यहाँ पर मतलब एकदम छोटा सा डिफरेंस, मतलब बस इतना है। लेकिन अगर ऐसा है तो दिख के आएंगे those two icon which you can see, जो मैं आपको दोनों हैंड से बता रहा हूँ, so these two icon must be fully aligned in this way। okay, तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा है तो चल जाएगा, ठीक है, जो कि विजुअली दिख के नहीं आएगा, हालांकि दिस इज ऑल्सो अ क्लटर, ओके, एंड ऑल्सो अ मिस्टेक, बट अगर थोड़ा ऐसा है तो दिस इज अ विजुअली इज द विजुअली मतलब विजुअल क्लटर है, जो कि हम लोग ऑलरेडी देख सकते हैं। रैंडम प्लेसमेंट एंड कंफ्यूजिंग पैटर्न, random pattern, confusing pattern. Okay, so with the help of all these things, a visual clutter may appear, and we don't want the visual clutter to be there in our design. Okay, so this is regarding the organizing elements. Okay, example question, Baba question. What is clutter? Okay, how are you going to organize the elements on your screen? You can say we have to present the elements or items on the screen, meaning in the meaningful, understandable, and recognizable. Okay, meaningful क्या है आप बताओ, understandable क्या है आप बताओ, and then recognizable भी क्या है, ठीक है। Consistency, the fifth point, which comes under the, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं सारे पॉइंट्स, एक बार ये भी तो ध्यान रखो। अ टेस्ट फॉर अ गुड डिजाइन, एक अच्छा डिजाइन को हम लोग उसकी टेस्टिंग कर रहे हैं। तो पहला तो हम लोग ने खाली ऐसे ही चेक किए। सेकंड, whatever items or elements you have, that must have some sort of meaning, and it must serve a purpose in performing some task. Third, signals and noise क्या होते हैं? Organizing screen elements, which is to be done in the clear way and meaningful way. Okay. Then fifth one is the consistency. So we have to provide real world consistency. अब कंसिस्टेंट का मीनिंग तो आप लोगों को पता है, तो इसके लिए इसको हम लोग एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। It also reflects a person's experiences, expectations, work conventions, and cultural convention. आगे मैंने इसका और एक्सप्लेन किया था, हाँ आगे और एक्सप्लेनेशन है इसकी, तो एक बार देख लेते हैं, रीड कर लेते हैं पहले। It provide internal consistency, observe the same conventions and rule for all the aspects. Operational and navigational procedure, एक बहुत सारा थियरी इसके अंदर, इतना ज्यादा मत देखो। Operational and navigational procedure, visual identity or theme, components, organization, presentation, usage, location, लोग आते ही जाते। People strive for consistency in their attitude, thought, and beliefs. People strive for consistency in their attitude. मेरा एक एटीट्यूड है या किसी का एटीट्यूड है, तो जो एटीट्यूड उसका चल रहा है उसको वो क्या करेगा, कंसिस्टेंटली उसको आगे लेकर जाएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं कोई चीज अगर नहीं खाता हूँ तो मैं कहीं और भी जाऊंगा तो मैं इसको कंसिस्टेंटली उसको आगे चलाऊंगा। ये एक एटीट्यूड है किसी का। देयर थॉट्स, ओके, कुछ थॉट प्रोसेस है, तो द थॉट प्रोसेस विल बी कंटिन्यूड, ओके, एंड देयर बिलीव्स, ओके। सो दीज आर द थिंग फॉर विच द पीपल स्ट्राइव, ओके। ये ऐसी चीजें हैं जहाँ पर जो मतलब पीपल्स है, दे कंटिन्यू देयर कंसिस्टेंसी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डोमेन, लाइक एटीट्यूड, देयर थॉट एंड देयर बिलीव्स। सिमिलरली योर कंसिस्टेंसी, बिकॉज ये हम लोगों ने बात की है आदमियों के बारे में, ह्यूमन बीइंग के बारे में, ओके। नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट similarly consistency is a very important component of the design also, okay. How it is a very important design component of the design, also can solve banding, okay। ये दो authors है, found that users commit fewer errors when the visual and linguistic aspect of the information sites are consistent। क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? Users commit fewer errors when the visual and linguistic aspect of information sites are consistent. Anyone? अरे कोई बताएगा? आयशा? चलो किसी और से पूछते हैं। हाँ आयशा बताओ। What do you understand? What do you understand by this particular statement? User commit fewer errors, कम mistake करते हैं when the visual and linguistic aspect of information sites are consistent। एक लाइन में देखो, आहाना भी ज्वाइन किए हैं। आहाना कैन आल्सो आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। Can you please explain, Ahana, this third paragraph or third point? User commit fewer errors when the visual and linguistic aspect of information sites are consistent। नहीं बहुत सिंपल सीधी सीधी बात है ना, कि अगर आपकी जो आपका जीयूआई है या जो स्क्रीन है, द डिजाइनिंग विच यू हैव, इफ इट इज कंसिस्टेंट, देन पीपल्स उसके अंदर ये सारी मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे, ओके। तो विजुअल एंड लिंग्विस्टिक, इफ द विजुअलाइजेशन, क्या बोले एंड कंसिस्टेंट, ये आंसर देखिए। if visualization is clear and consistent, then they will make, the user won't make much errors। Actually, the focus is on the consistency, okay। if your screen designing is consistent, then यहाँ पर कम से कम mistakes होंगे, that's the model, okay। आगे बढ़ते हैं। Other studies have found that the consistency leads to a reduction in task completion times। Task completion time, okay, that will be reduced, and increase in the user satisfaction। User satisfaction बढ़ेगा, and the reduction in learning time। So कोयानी ये कोई ऑथर है भाई साहब ने ये लिखे थे, ठीक है। सो अगर डेटा, अगर आपकी स्क्रीन, अगर आपकी डिजाइनिंग, इफ योर डिजाइनिंग इज कंसिस्टेंट, then there will be then your completion time, the time will be reduced। कम टाइम में काम होगा, यूजर का सेटिस्फेक्शन बढ़ेगा, और लर्निंग टाइम भी कम, ओके। तो अच्छी बात है कि, so this is a good thing for us that with the help of this consistency, many things can be increased। स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, हम लोग ये सब अपने स्क्रीन डिजाइनिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। टाइमिंग क्या हुआ है? 10, 12, 14। हाँ, एक दो पॉइंट कवर करें। 6 से 6B, 6C, 6D, ये C आया, विजुअली प्लेजिंग कंपोजिशन। चलो ठीक है। Starting point, we have to provide an obvious starting point in the screen upper left corner। अच्छा मुझे बताओ, whenever you look at your phone or mobile phone, so what will be the first point where you see first, okay? आप सबसे पहले फोन हाथ में लेते हो मॉर्निंग में, अनलॉक करने के बाद में सबसे पहले आप कहाँ देखते हो? If your mobile phone is not having a fingerprint notifications, that's a very good point, okay। Very good answer। This is a very common thing that whenever we look at a mobile, okay, we go through the mobile in morning, so we just go through the notification what we have received. Okay, so this is the starting point. The author says that the starting point, whichever is the starting point of your screen or your application or GUI, whatever you have, so you have to make it in such a way that it should be more attractive to the user. Okay, for example, this is the notification bar. Okay, so all the messages, all the WhatsApp messages and other notifications are residing in the notification. So you have to present this particular information in such a way that user can easily segregate all the different information. Like it when it will click on the messages, then all the messages will be shown. When you will click on the WhatsApp icon or WhatsApp notification, then it will show all the notification. That is actually happens. Okay, so ये हमारा starting point ऐसा हो so that कि उसको देखने के बाद में हम लोग को अच्छा लगे. So we have to provide an obvious, यानी देखो ये आप एक स्क्रीन डिजाइनिंग करने वाले हो, you're going to design your own screen for your application, okay, for your design. तो उसका स्क्रीन के डिजाइन के वक्त में आपको क्या क्या इश्यूज आ सकते हैं और क्या क्या चीजें आपको कंसिडर करके लेके चलना है, दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट हाफ एन आवर और 30 और 45 मिनट्स. So we have to provide an obvious starting point in the screen upper left corner. This is the starting point basically उन लोग का है. ठीक है, हमारे लिए तो चलो नोटिफिकेशन है, बट अच्छा नोटिफिकेशन देखने के लिए भी आपको पहले ऊपर देखना पड़ेगा. मतलब notification is on the upper side. Okay, so you will just swipe down with the help of finger. Okay, तो यहाँ पर एक्चुअली स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है हमारे पहले के जमाने का, यानी कि अब आज से जो 5-10 साल 15 साल पहले के जो बुक लिखी थी, तो उनके लिए स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट उनका हमेशा अपर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर होता है. ठीक है, बिकॉज द डिजाइनिंग ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अपर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर. Focus user attention on the most important part of the screen on page. You have to provide the information and you have to provide the element in such a way that के user का जो focus रहेगा, जो attention रहेगा, वो सबसे ज्यादा उन parts के ऊपर, उन चीजों पर जाए. How a person scans an array of information is dependent upon the composition of the display. Learning also influences it. For example, अगर देखो, different peoples may have different aspect for this. The screen which you can see right now, that's the 6 dot starting point. Okay, ये वाली screen. So you people, you are आप में से जितने लोग हैं, तो अलग अलग उनके एस्पेक्ट है. ठीक है, हो सकता है कोई देखे सबसे पहले स्क्रीन पर, तो सबसे पहला जो उनका फोकस है वो कहाँ जाए, ऑन द हेडिंग, दैट इज स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. हो सकता है कुछ लोग ये देखें व्हाट इज रिटन इन द बोल्ड, ओके, इन द सेंटर्ड अलाइनमेंट टेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज दिस पार्टिकल. हो सकता है ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो सबसे पहले लोग वहां पर देखें. या हो सकता है कुछ लोग देखें what the background they have chosen, just a dark background and the light color, light foreground. So हो सकता है कुछ लोग ये देखें, कुछ लोग हो सकता है कि उसका फॉन्ट स्टाइल देखें. The font style they have used is not okay. They might have used any good font size so that के ये और अच्छा दिखता है. यानी कि different people are having different aspect in order to focus the most important content of the screen. Okay, so how a person scans an array of information, बहुत सारी information, is dependent upon the composition of the display, how you have composed it. Okay, how you have composed this particular information. Amir Lathani has raised their hand. Okay, आमिर कुछ पूछना है, बोलो. पूछना नहीं रहेगा, उसको बोलेगा, वो बोलेगा कि सर टाइम हो गया. आज भूले भटके से कैसे आ गया आमिर यहाँ पे, रास्ता